Hello, girls.
Hello.
Okay, I trying to be nice, but I know you wanna skip, right? I just wanna sing. Don't laughing, don't laughing. Why you laughing? Okay. Let's start. Introduce self first. What's your name?
Hannah.
Hannah. Okay, beautiful name. And you? Why you laughing, guys? Oh my god, you're so rude. Am I look ugly or something?
Okay, and what's your name?
Y'all come look at this.
Last.
No, last. Don't worry. Don't insecure. You a pretty name. I swear, it's pretty name.
Stop it. Get some help.
Why you laughing at your name? Like it's not good, you know.
What?
Last and Hannah.
What's your name?
My name is Fian. Mereka kenapa anjir?
It's a beautiful name.
Okay, thank you.
So beautiful.
Hannah and last.
How
I
old
wanna.
are you?
Okay, you first.
We're 14.
Oh, okay. I'm 17.
Okay, that's fine. We want to hear you sing.
Okay, let's go. I've wasted my nights, you turn out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called it love. But even the sun set in paradise. I'm at a paper trying to call home. All of my chains I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I will still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of sin. One more fucking love that I'll be seeing. I'm at a paper, yeah. I'm at a paper.
That was so nice.
How I can say
You're very good at it.
okay? How I can say thank you in Denmark language? I mean,
Tak.
tak.
Yeah, that's
It-
fine.
Okay, just tak. All right.
How do you say thank you in Indonesia?
I love you. Hello?
Hello.
Hello. Oh my god. Thank you so much for not skipping me. I just wanna sing for you. If you wanna hearing, I will sing for you. But if you don't want to hearing me, you can skip.
Yes.
You wanna hear?
Okay.
Really?
Yes.
Sure? Okay. That's right.
Yes.
Ooh, your body like an ocean. I'm devoted to explore you. Ooh, what do you desire? I'm inspired all the way for you. Won't you drama for me? Let's read strawberries and I'll get on my knees. Put my hands around you. Ooh, teach me how to touch your teeth, curse you and please you. Teach me how to love. Put my hands around you. Ooh, teach me how to touch your teeth, curse you and please you. Teach me how to love. How to love. How to love. How to love. Danke.
That was perfect. Perfect.
Danke. Okay. Have a nice day, girls.
Bye.
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 You're welcome. Hi, girls. Hey.
Oh, hello. Hi.
Oh my God, you are so really, really pretty girl.
But you are not handsome.
Huh? Can you speak English?
Oh, huh? You are very handsome too. You are very handsome. Handsome.
Thank you so much. Yeah. Girls, can I singing?
Yes.
Sing.
Yes, of course.
All right.
Yes. Okay, of course.
Let's go. You're my sunlight on a rainy day. You take my heart with you if you walk away. I'm a mess right now, I'm a wreck right now. I'm waiting for the moment that you let me down. If you cut the cord, I don't know what I do. Don't wanna skydive without my parachute. I'm a mess right now, baby help me out. I'm scared I'm gonna wake up and you let me down. This feeling doesn't fit no matter how hard that I try. I always think about it at the same time every night. It's 3 or 5, I'm on a roller coaster ride, hoping you don't change your mind. I don't wanna let go, never been so sore in my life. I'm terrified, you'll turn around and say goodbye, hoping you don't change your mind. I don't wanna let go, never been so sore in my life. Sunny Sevirum. How I girls, how I can say thank you in Turkey language?
Teşekkürler.
Teşekkür.
Teşekkürler.
Teşekkürler. Like that?
Yes.
Okay, girl. Teşekkürler. Oh my God. You're really nice. Like you know what? You don't to skip me. Yeah, that's. And I see when you take a picture like this, and then you turn around, like in at the same time you three, you you are like just like that. You know what I mean? It's so really cute. Okay. Nice to meet you, girls. My name is Fian. What's your name? Can we... Yeah. Great.
My name is Sarah. My name is Elif. Duru.
Elif, Doro, and Sarah. That?
Yes.
Okay, that's pretty name. Zoro, Ella,
Duru.
Zoro, Sarah, and Zoro?
Duru.
Dro?
Yes.
Okay. Dro, Sierra, Elif.
Yes.
Okay.
Nothing this.
Okay.
Tak, mitt namn.
Hello.
Man har
Hey, don't ignore me, huh?
roadsides,
Can I sing?
abends,
Singing? Yeah, singing. Okay? You pull me out of pedestal and tell me I'm the best. Raise me up into the sky until I'm so depressed. Fill me up with confidence, I say about in my chest. Spill my word and turn me down until there's nothing left. Rearrange the pieces just to fit me with the rest, yeah. But what if I trip? What if I fall into the mud monster? Just now. And what if I sing? And what if I break? Yeah, then I'm a monster, yeah. Just me now. Whoa, yeah. La da 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 da, yeah. La da 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 da. La da 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 da, yeah. Oh, please don't let me fall.
Gracias, no?
Thank you. Huh? Speak English. Speak English.
Okay, you was very good.
Thank you so much. What's your name?
Amazing singing. You're very great.
Thank you so much.
Hva skal jeg We go. Nei.
What? What's your name?
The music. Vilja Marte.
Marta. Oh my God, beautiful name. What did you want to say?
Thank you. Hæ?
What do you?
Yes,
what,
we
what,
wanna sing. We wanna sing.
No, I mean, what do you want to say before?
We do. On school, we are. We do music.
Oh, really? Really?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, can you sing? Can you sing for me?
Down. They're playing piano.
Okay. Yeah, of course. And why you so really cute?
We are so good.
Like you two of us. Like really cute.
Okay, vi går ned dit. Dere kan vel låne pianoet ditt? 1 sekund. Kom. You need to come with us.
Okay.
Hello, what's your name?
My name is Fian. What's your name?
My name is Marte.
Oh, Mata. That's pretty name for a beautiful girl like you.
Oh my God, thank you.
You're welcome, Mata.
Just huge people.
Okay.
Now we're going to sing for you.
Okay, let's go. Woo.
This is really right.
Very nice.
Cool, bro. Cool.
Hvor er? Jeg må låne den. Hvor er Safari?
Sing Lovely by Billie Eilish.
No, we're gonna sing.
Okay, just sing what. Okay, just sing whatever do you want to sing. It's okay.
Nei, vi begynner på en. Vi synger I Dreamed a Dream. Nei, det er ikke vi synger Rise Up. Rise Up?
Skal jeg ha
Let's go.
Jeg begynner.
I will hear you.
Sing fast. Det er dårlig tid. Now we're gonna sing for you.
Okay. Love, Mata.
Don't judge us, okay?
No, don't worry. Mata, you're really cute.
Thank you. We are so scared right now. Okay, greit. Nå zoomer vi. Nei, vi skal synge sammen.
Hvor er den?
Skal vi ikke synge sammen? Faen, går det ikke an å zoome? Vi skal synge sammen. Da. Eller skal jeg begynne? Du starter, jeg kommer inn. Okay. Vær stille da. Nå kommer du inn. Det er tonen.
Alright,
Living life on a merry-go-round. You can find a fighter. Ikke ta på litt. But I see it in you, so we're gonna walk it out. Mountains, gonna walk it out. And rise like the day, alright.
That's cool, Mata.
Alright, right, alright, so and I'll do it 1,000 times. Fuck off, Jens! So high like the waves, alright, so in spite of the age, alright, so and I'll do it 1,000 times again. For you, for you, for you, for you, for you. Feels like it's getting hard, and I know you feel like we're dying. But I promise we'll take the word to the sea.
Ja, precis.
Mountains, singing to the and
I'll rise up, rise like the day. I'll rise up,
Alright,
I'll rise up.
alright, yeah.
1,000 times again.
Times again,
Ferdig.
yeah.
Og så kommer hånden.
That's so really amazing, Mata. Oh my god. I wanna cry like when you sing really pretty voice. Oh my god, amazing voice. Like you both.
Thank you.
Hey, Mara, do you all have an Instagram?
We have Snapchat. We have Snapchat.
I have. Can you write your
I have
Snapchat?
Instagram. You can get it here.
Okay, just write your Instagram or everything in there. I will follow you right now.
Can you play a song for us, please?
Of course, why not? Okay, wait. I'm gonna take
Yeah.
a picture for you of your Instagram because if I not take a picture, oh, you wanna too? Okay. Wait. Let's go. Okay, I got it. I get it.
Okay, please play a song for us.
All right, let me try again.
Nei, hysj. Nå skal han spille.
This sad song I think, but I need to sing this song.
Okay.
You've got a hold of me, don't even know your power. I stand 100 feet, but I fall when I'm around you. Show me an open door, then you go and slam it on me. I can't take anymore. I'm saying, baby, please have mercy on me. Take it easy on my heart, even though you don't mean to hurt me. You keep tearing me apart, but you please have mercy, mercy on my heart. Consuming all the air inside my lungs, ripping all the skin from off my bones. I'm prepared to sacrifice my life, I will gladly do it twice. Consuming all the air inside my lungs, ripping all the skin from off my bones. I'm prepared to sacrifice my life, I will gladly do it twice. Please have mercy on me. Take it easy on my heart, even though you don't mean to hurt me. You keep tearing me apart. I'm begging you for mercy, mercy. Begging you, please, baby. Yeah, that's enough. Thank you so much, bro.
Hey, can you play Wonderwall?
Wonderwall, I can't, bro. I don't know that song. I'm sorry. I'm so really sorry.
We are going to music school. Yeah.
Music school.
Oh, keep spirit,
like
guys.
folklore.
Keep spirit. You all amazing, guys. You really amazing, guys. Oh my God, I'm proud of you all.
No, you
Thank
are
you,
really.
you too.
Thank you so much. Keep doing music, and I wish for you all be a good talent for you all. Oh my God, I'm so really proud of you all. Like, just do a music and make a song. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, bro.
Love you.
Love you all. Thank you so much. I'm gonna follow you in Instagram. Okay. Bye.
Bye.